In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to program the Homelink system on the Tesla Model X refresh. So let's get in. And then we're going to click here, create a Homelink, add new Homelink. So I'm going to type in name. So you have standard mode, we're going to hit set. And then what you need to do is you're going to have your remote, and then you hit start. Record signal from remote. So I'm gonna go and then press the button in front of the bumper. And the lights turn on, which means it did recognize it. Recording complete. So let's hit continue. I'm gonna hit continue. So this is smart, so it's gonna do it automatically, so we don't have to do any like learn button stuff. Let's hit save. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna back off, touch here, garage 1, and you can see it did open. Touch again. It should stop, there we go. And then touch again, it will close. We're gonna go to Homelink and then type in garage 2. It's nice that the X comes standard with this. On the Model Y and 3 to go buy it separately, and Tesla comes and installs it. So you buy it, I think $400 something on the website. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the number 2. I'm gonna do it like right in here, closer to it. There we go. So if it's closer, it seems like it does it faster. Okay, recording complete. So let's hit continue and then hit continue again. Training complete, hit continue, hit save, and boom. Can you believe this? That's how quick you can set up a Homelink on your Tesla. If you have a Mercedes or any other car that has like a Homelink system, it is so much more complicated. You have to like run in, press a learn button, things like that. It's so nice how this is, and you can set it up so that every time you come home, you can have it to open up that particular garage door. So for example, we can have the garage door 1 to open at this location. So auto open when arriving. You can also have it set to auto close when leaving. So that's pretty cool. And that's how you program your Tesla Model X to have the Homelink working. So you can see garage 2 pops up like this whenever you get close to your house, and then garage 1 just like that. So cool for sure, being able to program it this quickly. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I'll see you guys next time.